Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change screen timeout in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your screen timeout, so guys you can change your screen timeout. And guys, now let's see how to change screen timeout. So let's see how to change it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change screen timeout. Then guys, you can see display and brightness settings. So guys, tap here and guys screen time out, click here. So as you can change from here. And guys, now I will show you guys this 15-second screen timeout. So guys, click here and guys come back. So as now you can see guys, after 15 seconds guys, your phone screen will off in your Vivo phone. And friends, do you have any doubt with you in your Vivo phone? So guys, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, then guys I will help you. So as you can see guys, going down. And guys, after 15 seconds guys, we have off our screen. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.